Hello girls, good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn about Cisco switch configuration. In this we are going to use the Cisco Packet Tracer. Let's see the configuration. Before going to that, just we will know some basic things in the switch. Here you can see in the switch there are 5 levels. 5 levels are 5 modes. The first mode is called as a user execution mode. Here you can see all the levels. User execution mode. Second mode is privileged mode. Third mode is global configuration mode. Fourth mode is interface configuration mode, and fifth one is line configuration mode. Then what is this modes? Modes are nothing but different levels in the switch. In each level you have certain rights or privileges. So the first level user execution mode is a very basic level. You don't have much rights here. If you go for higher levels, you have a lot of rights for configuring the switch. Let's see what are the commands you have in each level. Okay, when you are starting the switch, you will be in the user execution mode. After that, if you want to go inside the second level, you have to type this command enable from level 1 to level 2. If you want to go further, you want to go to the level 3, then you have to type the command config T, that is configuration terminal mode config T. Here, no need of typing the full commands, even you can write some shortcut words, it will display. It will go to the next level. Then this command question mark, this is used as a help command. This will list out all the commands available in this mode. Then this one so run, shortcut for so run command sh run. This will show you the running configuration of your switch. So these commands where this will work in the privilege mode. Then you can memorize one thing. All so commands will work only in the second level, that is in the privilege mode only. All so commands will work. So run, so start, so MAC address table, then so interfaces. Okay, all the commands, so commands will work only in the privilege mode, second level. Then after that, this is very important command, copy running config startup config. What is the meaning? If suppose you have made some changes in your switch, maybe you have changed your switch name, you have set some password for your switch, so you have done some configuration changes. You want to save all the configuration changes. For that, you have to use this command, copy running config as startup config. So this will copy all the present configuration as a startup configuration. This will save all the changes in your switch configuration. Then after this command, you have to use this command reload for restarting your switch. Okay. Then if suppose you are in the configuration terminal mode, you are in the third level, then in this level what you can do, you can set a password for second level. What is the command for setting password for second level? That you can do it only in the third level. So the command is enable secret. Then after that, you can set any password. Okay, Cisco, whatever the password you like, 12345 6, any password you can set password here. Enable secret, then the password you can set here. Actually, this password is only for second level. You did not set the password for whole switch, only you set a password for second level. Then after that, this command, host name, what is this command? This command that is used to change your switch name. You want to change your switch name, then here you can type whatever the name you want. Instead of word, you can type any command. Then after that, um, if suppose you are in the line configuration mode. So in the line configuration mode, how do you enter into the line configuration mode? For that, the command is line cons 0. Okay, here you can see the command for entering into the line configuration mode. Either you can type the full command line console 0, otherwise line cons 0, otherwise line cons 0. All shortcuts also work here. If you type this command, you can enter into the fourth level, that is line configuration level. Okay, here what you can do is you can set a password for entire switch. from level 1 you can set a password. Okay, if you want to set a password for level 1, okay, even for entering into the switch you want to set a password, here you can set. So the command is password, then here you can set any password. Instead of this word you can set any password. So before entering into the switch, first you must know the password, then only you can enter into the first level itself. Then after this, the login command, always password command followed with login command. Then only the password will be enabled for your switch. So the login command you have to use. After password command, you have to use the login command. Then after that, if you want to go inside the interface mode, then you can type the command interface fast ethernet 01. This will take you to the interface fast ethernet. Okay, into fast ethernet, you want to know how many interfaces in your switch. Okay, uh, some questions you have in your lab manual, here you can see. Okay, see here, if suppose this is your switch, you want to go inside the second level, then you can type the command enable. You want to go back to the first level, then you can type the command disable. How do you know you are in the first level or second level? Just by seeing these symbols. If it is a greater than symbol, you are in the first level, that is user execution mode. If you are seeing this hash symbol, that means you are in the second level. Okay, then you want to go to the configuration terminal mode, then this is the command config t. Otherwise you can type the full command also. Okay, now the settings will be changed like this. Then you want to go back to the second level or first level, then you have to give exit command. Okay, so you want to clear an existing configuration. Okay, for example, you want to suppose in case you have set password or changed your switch name, but you don't want that password, you don't want this switch name, you want to go back to the original setting. And maybe you want to set new password. This password is not suitable, so you want to change your password or something, then you can erase all the configuration settings. So how do you erase all the configuration settings? This is the command erase startup hyphen config. So this will erase all the settings whatever you have done. Then after that you have to use the command reload, then only this erase command will erase all the configuration settings. Okay, so here, for example, these questions we will see. What is the iOS version that is running in your switch? For that, the show running configuration. Thus, that command will show you the present configuration. Then MAC address of this switch, that also you can see from this command. Show version or show run, all the command will give you the version and the MAC address of your switch. Okay, either show version or show run command. Here you can see show running configuration. This will show you the complete configuration. Here you can see how many interfaces you have in your switch, how many fast Ethernet interface, how many gigabit interface, everything you can get it from this command. Otherwise, if you want to see only the interfaces, then this command show interfaces. Okay, if you want to show the startup configuration of your switch, this command also you can use. Okay, let's see, let's start from the Cisco packet tracer and we will see one by one all the commands. So for that I have opened the Cisco packet tracer and I have used 2960, this switch number. Then just click the switch. Here you can see different things. In this CLI you have to go. CLI means command line interface. Okay, you have to go to the CLI, then your switch will be like this. Just give an enter. Then here, now you are in the user execution mode. You can see the greater than symbol. So if you want to go to the second level, what is the command? The command is enable. So you are in the second level now. Now, here you can see the hash symbol. So you want to go back to the first level again. The command is disable. Okay, enable. Okay, you want to go to the third level, the command is config t. From the third level, you can set a password for level 2. So what is the command? Command is enable secret. Then you can set any password. Here I am setting the password as Cisco. Okay, then after that, I want to go to the fourth level. The command is line cons 0, line console mode. From here, what I can do, I can set a password for the level 1. So the command is password, then I want to set a password as 123. Then after this command, always you have to use the login command. Then only the password will be enabled. So I have set a password for level 2. I have set a password for level 1. For level 2 password, I enter into the level 3. From level 3, I have set a password. For level 1, I have to go to level 4. From there only I can set a password for level 1. This one you have to understand. So I want to see all other comments also. I want to change my switch name also. So how can I change my switch name? That I can do it only in the level 3. So what is the command for changing the switch name? Host name. I can change my switch name as my switch. Okay, I want to change. So here you can see the changes suddenly. The switch name is changed as my switch. So after that, I want to save all these changes. Okay, so how do I save all the changes? For that I have to use this command copy copy the running configuration as startup configuration. Startup hyphen config. This will copy my present configuration as a startup configuration. Okay, this will ask you the confirmation. Yes. Okay, now I have saved all the changes in my switch. Okay, I want to see about all other commands also. So I am using the command so run. Okay, sh run. Sh run, if I give this command, I can see the current version of my switch 15.0. Okay, here I don't use any password encryption, no password encryption. Here you can see my switch name as uh, my switch. Then after that, enable secret, only this password is encrypted, but the level 1 password is not encrypted. You can see here. Um, See here the level, you can see the interfaces also. Totally you have uh, tw- Totally, you have 24 fast Ethernet interfaces and 2 gigabit interfaces. Okay, here you can see for line console mode, I have set a password as 123. This you can see. Okay, this is so run command. If you want to see only the version of your switch, sh version. Okay, SH version, it is showing you the version number, that is 15.0, and here you can see the model number and port, how many port? 26, 24 fast Ethernet and 2 gigabit Ethernet. So totally 26 interfaces. If you want to see only the interfaces, interface, interface, okay, it will show you the interfaces. If you want to break this one, you can use the command Control C. Okay, so just I want to check all my password. So how do I check? Just exit. Okay, now if I want to go inside, I have to give the password. I gave the password for level 1 as 123, and I want to go to the level 2 enable. Here the password is Cisco. Okay, so all the passwords are working now. My switch name also changed as my switch. But now I want to change my password. I want to change my switch name. So I want to erase all these running configuration. Okay, I don't want this setting. So I want to erase all these running configuration. So the command used for this one is erase startup hyphen config. Okay, then after that you have to use the command reload. Okay, confirm. Okay, the reload will restart the switch again. Okay, see here, now it is not asking me the password because I have erased all the configuration settings, so it is not asking me the password. Previously it was asking me, now it is not asking. So this is a switch configuration lab for you. So work out all the command, take the screenshot of everything and upload your answer in the Blackboard. Okay, thank you.